All right, today we got a window cleaners meet series. This your stuff?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I thought it looked familiar when I saw the pole. I said, "There's a guy that clean windows."
That's right. That's me.
You from the old school, huh?
I've been doing it for a while.
How long you been doing it?
About 50 years.
50 years. Wow.
About 50 years. Yeah.
Really? That's good, man. I like to hear that.
Yeah.
So you know your way around a squeegee then, huh?
Yeah. I don't do that high work.
Oh, I used to.
Yeah.
I used to do chair work.
Yeah. Both
Not scaffold. I hated to scaffold. I used to do chair
Oh,
work.
bad boy. That's all I can say.
Well, that was when I was young, dumb, and full of you know what.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm too old now. I'm not as old as you.
Right.
But I've been in the game over 20 years, like 23 years.
Right.
But I've been doing storefronts and restaurants and stuff for about over 15, 20 years now, and I love it.
Yeah, that's right.
You like it?
Love it, man. Love it.
Yeah, see, most people can't conceive of doing what we do because they're so stuck these dead-end jobs being stressful. They can't imagine doing something they enjoy. And despite what people think, we out here in the elements, rain, sleet, snow, or shine, they like, man, you crazy. It's 15 degrees out. It ain't never too cold to make money, is it?
Nope.
And I love it. And it's cash money
cash
all
you
day.
carry. That's
Right, man. So what's your name?
John.
John, I'm Marcus.
My
Nice to
pleasure
meet you. Is this all you do is work around in this area, or
Oh,
you,
no, I
you
got
travel
stuff
too?
from past Ardmore, all the way down to Queen Village,
Oh yeah?
North Philly Brewery Place around that end, and
Oh, okay.
South Philly, Queen Village.
You get around like how I started out. I started out on foot. I had my pickle bucket. I had a broomstick for a pole. And for 6 years, I did that on New Jersey Transit and SEPTA, catching a bus or doing my route.
Well, I do.
Word of mouth, you know.
Yeah, see, I do it like this because
It's cheaper too.
I got a van. I got it in my car, but I was getting so much in tickets. I mean,
Oh, see, working in the city, that's the bad part I hate about working in the city. It's work there, don't get me wrong, but they quick to give you a ticket, man.
So what I
and
do
you
now,
can ruin a day's pay just for one ticket.
I was giving them like $5,000 or $6,000 a year.
Oh, $5,000 or $6,000 in tickets a year?
That's right.
Holy
That's
smokes.
$100 a week, man. And I was getting that.
Yeah.
So I just let it go, and I'm glad I did because I meet more people on foot. But
Right.
I do floors and stuff like
Yeah.
that. Shampoo, carpet.
You increase your
also.
chances of business that way.
Yeah,
being
but-
seen. You know what I
What it
mean?
does, it hooks me up where I drop off the equipment,
Right.
do the job, then come back and park it. And
Okay.
anything else I do it by foot. I mean, by,
Yeah. That's what
And it worked out wonderfully.
Yes, absolutely.
I've been doing it like about 6 years doing it this way now.
Yeah.
And I love it.
And you're not finding time where you're not having enough time in the day. You plan your day out, obviously. So where you could do, what you can handle in a day, but you're not overwhelmed at the same time. We're the part where you gotta start thinking of other options. You know what I mean? Which is good. With me, my work is spread out, and because my ambitions are a little higher, I can no longer do what you do. But see, I'm not in the city either. I'm in the suburbs. I live in Jersey.
Okay.
I mean, I come over here because I do some stuff over at University City, South Jersey. Yeah, down there by Glassboro, Williamstown area. Yep. Well, John, it's nice meeting you.
Hey, Marcus,
nice to talk to a veteran.
Yeah.
You know.
Give me one of my cards.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Need anything?
Oh yeah,
Let me know.
Absolutely.
Right.
It's always good to know a local. You know what I mean? Because if I got a job where maybe I don't want to be involved, I can just, just sub it down to you,
Other people, man.
because you've been in the trade, so I know you know what you're doing. You know what I mean? All right. President, hot dog. I like that. I like the sound of that. Yeah, you got to. If you ain't that way, you got to fake the funk because presentation is everything. You know what I mean? People look at that. That's just like with me. When I had my bicycle, I ain't had no business insurance. They didn't even know who the heck I was.
Right.
But I was sharp. I parked my bike down away from the business because I was too ashamed to be pulling up on the bicycle. But I had my uniform, and they knew I was about my business. With us minorities, we got to put on a show. You know what I mean? If we don't have a show, we got to create a show. That's right. All right, John, take it easy. Yes, thank you. All right, I'll be in touch when I can use you for something. Yeah, even if it's just to talk or whatever and talk about stuff in our trade. Either way. All right, take it easy. All right. Wow, 50 years in the trade. His name is John. Boy, that is something, man. See, with people's lives and how they started out and how they make things happen, you got to look at people like him. Because if you're struggling now, there's no need to struggle. And there's people like that you could take notes from. They're an example. They're an example of how you could make it in this business. He'll tell you that the market ain't saturated. He'll tell you it's money out there. If it wasn't any money in window cleaning, you think he would still be doing this 50 years later? Heck no. You hear what he said too. He loves it. He loves it. That's why he's happy and content and stress-free. And he likes to do what he do. And he make good money at it. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. For those who would like to know, what do we win if we complete the scavenger hunt? Well, you're going to win this. It's an eraser wheel. Just think of us as a magic eraser. You're going to use this in the same concept, all right? And you also win a portable water-fed setup. The only thing that's going to be left out is the univalve. If you want to have it exactly like mine, you have to get your own univalve, but that's all. Univalve is like $100. I got mine for like $60 because I'm a savvy shopper. That's all I could say. And that was off of eBay. So I'm gonna show you what this wheel looks like. All right, there we go. Oops. Now I will show you what this is good for and how to use it. This will be a separate review. For those who have never seen this before, this is absolutely necessary and make our job a lot easier. This has to do with windows. So this right here is worth its weight in gold all in itself. And trust me, you're gonna wanna wish you got in on this scavenger hunt to try to win this. Because not too many people have this. Or, matter of fact, I've never seen anyone talk about this, but this is necessary. This is for decals, scuff marks, you name it. But we'll do a thorough review with this in the coming weeks. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. You have your instructions. Find the Barbara sign. What did I say? The blowfish and the dolphin. I think that's what I said. But anyway, Macafracka, peace, peace, peace. Okay, glad you could stay to the end of the video. The scavenger hunt is find the dolphin, find the blowfish, and find the barber sign. You know those little signs that look like a candy cane that turns around to let you know that the barber's in? Yeah, find the barber sign. I hope some of you know what a Barbara sign is. A Barbara. The guy that cuts your hair. They have their own little trademark to let you know that the Barbara is in. So you have your instructions. The scavenger hunt begins now.